In 2019, the Active Living Census was sent to households in the Loddon-Campaspe region, the heart of Victoria. The region has a population of around 230,000 people and covers 6 local government areas: the City of Greater Bendigo, Campaspe, Central Goldfields, Loddon, Macedon Ranges and Mount Alexander Shires. The purpose of the Active Living Census was to improve our understanding of the health and well-being of people living in the Loddon-Campaspe region. We wanted to find out more about people's physical activity levels, what their health is like, and what we can do to help improve health outcomes in our communities. The information for the Active Living Census will help local government and other organisations ensure that the right types of facilities and programs are in the right places, with the aim to get more people more active more often. It will also provide relevant and reliable data to help track changes over time. The data will support local organisations and groups to advocate for the health and wellbeing needs of their communities, as well as help obtain funding to create better health outcomes and help drive positive change across the region. The Active Living Census was funded by the Healthy Heart of Victoria initiative and project managed by Healthy Greater Bendigo in collaboration with the Social Research Centre. Healthy Heart of Victoria aims to improve the health and wellbeing of residents in the Loddon-Campaspe region. The initiative was established to support people of all ages to be healthier, to eat well, and to be more active. Healthy Heart of Victoria is using the findings from the Active Living Census to make small additions and changes to public outdoor places so that they become safer, inclusive, accessible, and more active. There are many ways the data from the Active Living Census can be used. These include to measure physical activity, recreation and health behaviours, to track how these behaviours change over time, to better understand community needs, putting the right facilities and programs in the right places, to better target our resources to where the need is greatest, to provide the community with data they can rely on when planning and evaluating programs and when applying for funding, and to attract research to the region. The 2019 Active Living Census was based on a similar census undertaken by the City of Greater Bendigo in 2014. The 2019 survey included new questions that address new needs and priorities. Alongside findings about people's physical activity levels, the activities they participate in, and where they do these, we wanted to understand the barriers people faced and what local improvements would support more people to be more active. To find out more about the respondents' health, we asked how many serves of fruit and vegetables they had each day, how much water, sugary drink and alcohol they consume, did they smoke, and if they gambled, did they think it was a problem. A hard copy of the Active Living Census was delivered to households in the Loddon-Campaspe region through Australia Post. Additional booklets were left on counters in post offices, at local council offices, libraries and at other community places. It was also available to complete online. A letter enclosed with the hard copy explained the purpose of the survey and gave information on how to complete the survey online. Online completion was encouraged where possible, and a hotline was provided for any questions. Parents and guardians were invited to complete the survey for children aged between 3 and 17, or they could consent for those over 16 to complete it themselves. The Active Living Census was promoted on television, radio, in newspapers, newsletters, online and through social media. A series of lucky prize draws were conducted to encourage people to take part. Prizes included vouchers for local supermarkets and sports stores and a bike as the major prize. Survey responses were received from May 20 to June 16 in 2019. Nearly 25,000 individual responses were received across the region, which is around 11% of the population. This makes the 2019 Active Living Census one of the largest surveys ever conducted in the region. The data collection, analysis and reporting was undertaken by the Social Research Centre with support from Healthy Greater Bendigo. 2 different styles of report have been prepared for the Loddon-Campaspe region and for each of the 6 participating local government areas. The selected findings report provides a summary of the main findings using colourful graphs and images. This is the best report to use to learn about the key findings on health and physical activity in each local area. The selected findings report includes a snapshot of information broken down by community members' different characteristics and experiences, such as age, gender and disability. The top-line report provides detailed information and results tables for every topic included in the Active Living Census. This report includes a copy of the survey questions, information on how many people answered each question, how the results were analysed, how they differed across the community, and on testing for statistical significance of differences presented. When comparing the breakdown of people who responded to the survey with the whole community, the survey group had slightly more females, older residents and people with a university degree. We have used a statistical technique called weighting so that the survey results better reflect the whole community. Weighting adjusts the characteristics of the survey group so that it matches the age, education, gender and country of birth of the whole community. Nearly 25,000 individual responses to the 2019 Active Living Census were received across the region, which is around 11% of the population. It makes the 2019 Active Living Census one of the largest surveys ever undertaken in our region. No other region in Australia has this type of data at this level of detail. There are many ways the data from the Active Living Census can be used, and we encourage you to access the report most suitable to your needs. Both the selected findings and top-line reports for each of the 6 local government areas can be accessed on the relevant council websites. The Loddon Campaspe Region reports can be found on the Loddon Campaspe Regional Partnership page on the Regional Development Victoria website. Do you have any questions? Then please email us at hhv@bendigo.vic.gov.au.